Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some tips that will help your spirals get higher, more stretched, and more consistent. So if you're ready, let's go. So first off, it's really important that you stretch before you do any spiral exercises. So you can do these off ice or on the ice. So what I'm doing here is I'm just holding the boards, I'm going into a spiral position, stretching as much as I can, pointing my toe, and I'm just going to be pulsing back and forth, trying to get it as high as I can and as far as back as I can, just trying to extend the stretch to the maximum. So do about 20 pulses on both sides. So first exercise is going to be doing a spiral in a straight line. So I'm just getting a bit of speed and going straight into a spiral, trying to bring my leg up as much as I can, stretching my leg, pointing my toe. The reason to do this on a straight line is that it's a bit harder than on a curve. So once you do it on a curve, it will feel a bit easier. It's also very important to do this exercise on both sides. It doesn't matter, everyone has a good side, but you want to even out your body and make your body stronger. So very important to do both sides. And I would suggest to do this exercise 1 full round of the ring or 2 rounds. After that, we are going to be doing a spiral on a curve. So here I'm just following the circle, which is perfect to determine how long I should be holding it. So you can do another circle or make the circle a little bit bigger if you want to make it a little bit harder. I'm making sure that my leg is super stretched, like in all the other exercises. Toes pointed, standing leg is stretched, my back is stretched, and my posture is good. And then I do everything on the other side, so my body's even, and that's it. Very simple, no special tricks, just practicing the spirals. So I hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!